Hey there, friend. Imagine this: it's morning, your alarm goes off, and instead of feeling refreshed and ready for the day, you hit snooze, again. You drag yourself out of bed feeling foggy, irritable, maybe even reaching for that extra cup of coffee just to get going. By afternoon, you're crashing, your energy is gone, and little things start stressing you out more than usual. Sound familiar? Hi, welcome to this guide on building a night routine for better sleep. I'm so glad you're here because if you're watching this, chances are you've had nights where sleep just doesn't come easy, or mornings where you wake up feeling like you barely rested at all. In this 1 to 2 hour video, we're going to walk through everything you need to know about creating a simple, effective evening routine that can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling truly energized. We'll keep it straightforward, no complicated medical terms, just everyday language and practical steps anyone can try. Here's what you'll learn today: what better sleep really means in simple terms. It's not just about hours in bed, but getting deep, restorative rest that helps your body repair, your mind clear, and your mood stay steady. Why sleep quality can change over time: things like getting older, daily stress from work or family, habits like late-night scrolling, too much caffeine, or even irregular schedules can make it harder to wind down. Warning signs your body might be sending that sleep isn't quite right: things like feeling tired all day, trouble focusing, getting sick more often, or just not feeling like yourself. General steps you can take to improve things: small, realistic changes to your evenings and daily life that support better rest, stuff you can start tonight and build on over time. The truth is, most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of good sleep each night to feel their best. But surveys show that over a third of us aren't getting that consistently. And when sleep suffers, it affects everything: your energy, your focus at work, how you handle stress, even your overall health in quiet ways over time. But here's the reassuring part: you don't have to overhaul your whole life overnight. A thoughtful night routine can make a real difference, and many people notice improvements in just a week or two of trying simple changes. Pause for a moment and think: how has your sleep been lately? On a scale of 1 to 10, how rested do you usually feel in the morning? Drop a comment below with your number, I'd love to hear, and you're definitely not alone if it's not a 10. We're going to cover all of this in a calm, step-by-step way. No pressure, no fear, just helpful info to empower you. If you're ready to start feeling more rested and energized, stick with me. And if this sounds useful, give the video a like now, it really helps others find it too. Let's start with the basics so you can understand what's really happening inside your body and why it matters for your daily life. Now that we've talked about why a solid night routine matters and what we'll cover today, let's dive into the basics of sleep itself. Understanding this foundation will make everything else we're going to discuss click into place. In simple terms, sleep isn't just turning off at night. It's an active process where your body and brain do important work. While you're resting, your body repairs tissues, builds muscle, strengthens your immune system, and processes emotions from the day. Your brain sorts memories, clears out waste, and recharges for tomorrow. Good sleep helps you think clearly, manage stress, and even keep your weight and heart healthy. But when sleep is poor, maybe you're waking up a lot, or it's shallow and not deep, your body misses out on that repair time. Over days or weeks, that adds up, leaving you feeling drained. Next, let's talk about the signs and changes you should pay attention to in your daily life. These are common signals that your sleep might need some attention. I'll break them into a clear list: mild ones you might notice occasionally, moderate ones that happen more often, and serious ones where it's a good idea to chat with a doctor. First, mild changes: taking longer than 20 to 30 minutes to fall asleep most nights. Waking up once or twice but falling back asleep easily. Feeling a bit groggy in the morning, but it wears off after coffee. Occasional daytime tiredness, like an afternoon slump. Moderate problems: waking up several times a night and struggling to get back to sleep. Feeling tired most days, even after what seems like enough hours in bed. Irritability or mood swings that aren't your usual self. relying on naps or caffeine to get through the day. And serious warning signs that mean it's time to seek professional help: loud snoring, especially with pauses in breathing, this could be sleep apnea. Extreme daytime sleepiness, like falling asleep during activities such as driving. Frequent headaches in the morning or unexplained weight changes. Ongoing insomnia for weeks, where you're barely sleeping at all. Remember, everyone has off nights sometimes. But if these are regular, they're worth noting. Now, what causes poor sleep? A lot comes down to everyday lifestyle factors and habits. Here are the key ones with real-life examples: irregular schedules, going to bed and waking up at wildly different times, like late on weekends, confuses your body's internal clock. Too much screen time, blue light from phones, TVs, or computers in the evening suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals time to sleep. Caffeine or heavy meals late, that afternoon coffee or big dinner can keep you wired or cause discomfort. Stress and worry, work deadlines, family concerns, or overthinking at bedtime revs up your mind. Lack of daytime activity, sitting a lot without exercise can make it harder to feel sleepy at night. Alcohol, it might help you doze off initially, but it disrupts deeper sleep stages later. Environment, a room that's too warm, bright, noisy, or an uncomfortable mattress. Age and life changes. As we get older, sleep naturally lightens. Things like shift work or parenting can throw it off too. The good news? Many of these are things we can tweak in our daily lives. Quick reflection: which of these causes or signs rings true for you right now? Jot it down or comment below. Sharing helps us all feel less alone, and I'll be reading them. We're building toward practical changes, so keep watching. If any of these signs or risk factors sound familiar, here's how sleep quality is usually kept in check and followed over time, in general terms, of course. People often track sleep at home first with simple tools: keeping a sleep diary noting bedtime, wake time, and how rested you feel. Many use wearable devices like smartwatches or apps that estimate sleep stages based on movement and heart rate. These aren't perfect, but they can spot patterns. In medical settings, doctors might ask about your habits, family history, and symptoms during a regular checkup. For deeper issues, they could suggest an overnight sleep study, called polysomnography, where you sleep in a lab or sometimes at home with monitors tracking breathing, brain waves, and movements. It's painless and gives detailed info. Again, this is general. Always talk to a qualified healthcare professional for your situation. Now, gently, what if poor sleep goes on long term? Your body is resilient, but chronic lack of good rest can strain things over time. For example, ongoing fatigue and reduced focus. Weakened immune response, catching colds more easily. Mood challenges like increased anxiety or low energy. Higher chance of issues like high blood pressure, weight gain, or blood sugar problems. In extreme cases, risks to heart health or concentration, like while driving. The key is early awareness. Small improvements can help prevent these building up. For prevention and early actions, stick to regular checkups to discuss any ongoing tiredness. Watch patterns over weeks, not just one bad night. Build daily habits: more movement during the day, balanced meals, stress management like short walks or talking to someone. Prioritize winding down in the evenings. We'll get to that routine soon. Better overall sleep supports everything else. This is all general health information only, not personal medical advice. Please consult a doctor for your own decisions. Think about it: have you noticed any patterns in your sleep lately? It's okay to start small. Before we jump into the practical night routine you've been waiting for, let's pause and chat a bit. You've made it this far, and that's awesome. Give yourself a pat on the back for investing in your rest. Quick question: what's one thing in your current evening that might be keeping you from great sleep? Is it scrolling on your phone late? A late workout? Stress from the day carrying over? Or maybe skipping a consistent bedtime? Or flip it: what's a small habit you've tried that helped even a little, like reading before bed or dimming lights? Drop it in the comments. I read every one, and your experiences help the whole community. Maybe someone else is dealing with the same thing and your tip could change their nights. Also, how's your stress level these days? Work, family, screens, life's busy. Have you ever delayed getting help for tiredness because you thought it's just normal? Sharing these keeps us connected. And if this is resonating, hit like and subscribe, turn on notifications too. Sharing reliable info like this can help a friend or family member who's struggling with sleep. It's a caring way to pay it forward. Quick wins while we're here. Tonight, try turning off screens 30 minutes earlier than usual. Or take 3 deep breaths when you get in bed. Tiny changes add up. In just a bit, as promised, we'll walk through a step-by-step night routine with simple foods, habits, and changes that can gently improve your rest. Things like when to eat, relaxing tricks, and bedroom tweaks backed by what works for most people. Stay with me, you're going to love the practical part coming up. Now, as promised, let's go step by step through what you can actually do in your daily life to support your body and protect your health, focusing on a realistic night routine for better sleep. We'll build a simple evening plan you can customize. Aim for consistency, but start small. Pick 2 to 3 things tonight. A realistic night routine plan. Start winding down 1 to 2 hours before your target bedtime. Choose a consistent bedtime and wake time, even on weekends if possible. Key elements: dim lights and reduce screens, about 1 hour before bed, lower lights and avoid blue light. Use night mode or glasses if needed. This helps melatonin rise naturally. Relaxing activities: read a book, journal, write 3 things you're grateful for, listen to calm music, or do light stretches/gentle yoga. Avoid stimulating stuff like news or work emails. Warm shower or bath, 90 minutes before bed, helps your body temperature drop afterward, signaling sleep. Bedroom setup: cool, 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, dark, quiet. Use earplugs or white noise if needed. Bed for sleep and intimacy only. Diet tips: light snack if hungry, like banana or herbal tea, but avoid heavy meals, caffeine after noon, alcohol close to bed. Movement: exercise earlier in the day, gentle evening walks are fine. Stress tools: deep breathing, 4-7-8 method, inhale 4, hold 7, exhale 8, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation. Do's: consistent schedule, relaxing ritual, comfortable environment. Don'ts: screens in bed, late caffeine/alcohol, intense exercise late, napping too long/late. For routine checkups, many adults discuss sleep at annual visits, track your patterns and mention ongoing issues. Now, FAQs and myths versus facts: if I feel okay during the day, can my sleep still be a problem? Yes, some adapt to poor sleep but miss deeper benefits. Feeling okay doesn't mean optimal. Can lifestyle changes really improve sleep? Absolutely, consistent routines help most people fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. Is it okay to drink alcohol to relax before bed? Myth: it helps initially but fragments sleep later. Better to avoid close to bedtime. Do I need exactly 8 hours? Myth: adults need 7 to 9, listen to your body. Snoring is harmless, right? Not always, can signal issues, worth checking if loud/with tiredness. Can I catch up on weekends? Partially, but consistency is better for your clock. Are sleeping pills the best fix? For short term sometimes, but habits often work better long term. Always talk to a professional for personal advice. This is educational only. Try one change tonight and see how you feel tomorrow. We've covered a lot today, from why sleep matters, the basics and signs, how it's generally checked, potential long-term effects if ignored, to practical lifestyle changes, a solid night routine, and those common questions. Quick recap: sleep is essential repair time for body and mind. Watch for signs like daytime tiredness or frequent wakes. Many causes are everyday habits we can adjust. Tracking can be simple at home or more detailed professionally. Ignoring poor sleep long-term can strain energy, mood, immunity, and health. But with consistent routines, dim lights, relax, consistent times, you can support better rest. Myths busted, lifestyle absolutely helps, and you can't fully catch up irregularly. Your short action plan this week: pick a consistent bedtime and start winding down 1 hour earlier. Dim screens/lights tonight. Try a relaxing activity like reading or breathing. Note how you feel in the morning, track a few days. Add one more change, like no caffeine after lunch. Small, consistent steps make the biggest difference. Be patient and kind to yourself. Better sleep is a journey, and you're starting today. You deserve to feel rested and energized. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Check out related videos like Simple Daily Habits for more energy or Understanding Your Body's Natural Rhythms for the next steps on your health journey. Take care, sleep well tonight, and remember, care for your body with patience and kindness.